These incredible acts of kindness are guaranteed to warm your heart and restore your faith in humanity. So sit back, relax, and let's get started.
When this woman pulled into the gas station, she only planned to put in $20, but a kind stranger had something much bigger in mind.
$20. $20? I never find my money, so I don't know if I can do it. You can't find your money? Thank you anyway. You found it? Yeah. I only wanted $20. You only wanted 20? I filled it up. Okay, but I can't feed them. Guess what? I don't work here. I just wanted to give back to you. I guess he was watching over you today.
At first, this teacher thought her students were getting into a fight, but as she rushed over to break it up, she quickly realized they had something much sweeter planned.
Another amazing teacher surprise. You may be wondering why this boy is in tears. It's because his classmates decided to surprise him with a heartfelt gift.
We got you some stuff. Because why? Because of like how generous you are, everything you do. What? No.
Because of what?
It's not how nice he is and how good a person he is.
And how you always helping people, right? See? Wow. This is from your class.
This is nothing as all the stuff you've done for everyone in this class. You deserve way more than this.
This dog owner must be a hero. What this woman is about to do for a homeless dog will melt your heart. After noticing the hungry stray outside, she rushed inside to prepare something special, and the dog's reaction was priceless. When these kids spotted their neighbor's wallet lying beside his car, they could have ignored it. Instead, they chose to do the right thing.
We found your wallet outside of your car. We just not walking back to you.
Wait until she finds out her friend named the baby after her. Everyone said it was impossible, but this man just became the first person with his disability to complete a marathon. What this stranger did after being asked for food will shock you.
Hey, my brother. I'm good. Yes, I'm so happy. Can I have some? Yeah? Oh, thank you. My friend, I was just testing.
No, you can have some.
No, it's okay. I was just testing you. Yeah, what do you want for Christmas?
For Christmas.
Anything else? My brother.
Thank you very much.
Here's your Christmas brother.
Thank you very much, man.
Yeah.
This is gonna help you a lot, man.
Yes. Use that.
Yes. Thank you very much, my boss.
Take this brother.
Thank you, boss.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And may you have a wonderful Christmas with your family. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Most people see royal guards as strict and serious, but what this guard did next showed a side that few people ever get to see. She was never expecting she could walk. Imagine being in the hospital and suddenly meeting your favorite superhero in real life. Grandma wasn't expecting to see her grandson again. This delivery man thought he was making a routine delivery, but when he opened the note and saw the gift waiting for him, his reaction was priceless.
Thank you so
much.
This little boy has always dreamed of becoming a police officer, but he never imagined the local police station would invite him in and treat him like one of their own. This man walked up to a fruit vendor, pretending to buy some fruit. But what he was really planning left the woman completely speechless. This guy showed that kindness still exists.
Yes? Do you want a 21-second shopping spree? Sure. Who's taking the basket?
Me.
21 seconds starts now. Go, go. Oh, she's running. Grab some stuff, go, go, go. You got 6 seconds left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Grab, grab. Done. She really hooked you up. Look at this. You got barbecue stuff for days. Awesome, guys, let's go ring it up and see what you got. What do you think the total's gonna be?
Probably like 60.
30 bucks. 30 and you get 60?
Yes.
If either of you are within $2 of the total, I'm gonna double the basket.
What?
Is that everything? You know what? Is this your basket of food?
Yeah.
Why don't you throw that in? I'll pay for it also.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, throw it in. Pull today. You have officially been shake paid. Congratulations, both of you. You're welcome. I
We
hope
get to
you have a
go
great day.
shopping again. Thank you.
You're welcome.
For 8 long months, more than 40 cats were trapped inside a house, cut off from the world with little hope of escape. Day after day, they struggled to survive, waiting for someone to notice their desperate situation. But when the Marmalade rescue team finally arrived, everything changed. One by one, the cats were carefully brought to safety, given food, medical care, and a second chance at life. What happened next is enough to warm anyone's heart. After years of hard work, this young woman finally got the news she had been dreaming of. She was accepted into medical school, and there was only one person she wanted to tell first, her sick father.
I have really big news for you.
Really?
I got into medical school.
You what?
You're going to medical school?
Thank you, God.
This is the most emotional and touching funeral you will see today. When a family finally meet your bone marrow donor, the moment was emotional and priceless. It was this man's birthday before retirement, and everyone from the station come to celebrate with him. The moment Post Malone give a fan his $5,000 guitar.
It's like a $5,000 guitar, so you have to promise me you're going to take care of it later. Right? Promise.
Heartwarming moment like this will warm your heart. This guy is about to cut off his hair because of cancer, but what his wife did next will shock you. Watch how this guy used this electronic device to give Grandma a suitable day on the beach. This teacher never expected his students to notice what had happened. But after learning his shoes had been stolen, they secretly worked together to buy him a brand new pair. Heartwarming moment of father and daughter on her graduation day.
How are you? You're good? Where's your hair?
When this man spotted a frightened deer trapped in the middle of busy traffic, he didn't hesitate. He stepped out of his car and gently guided the helpless animal to safety. This boy had just received the gift of a lifetime from a cricket star, but instead of holding on to it, he made an even bigger play by giving it to a little fan who'll never forget that moment. Instead of wearing his winner's medal, this footballer asked for it to be placed around his mother's neck, a moment she'll never forget.
Even at old age, the love is still there. Which act of kindness touched your heart the most? Let us know in the comments. Leave a heart if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more faith in humanity moments.